Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Again, last video I did was regarding the new purchase I did for the 2011 Honda Pilot, and I showed you guys I changed the headlights out to a more modern smoke look. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the actual taillights that I bought for it. I got off of Amazon, and we're gonna see how it looks and see if it makes a difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and right now do a before picture of the car, but I think it's gonna turn out good. So we'll see, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like before. Here's a reference point. This is the actual new headlights that I put on the 2011 Pilot. You can kind of tell it's more a smoke look, and we're gonna go ahead and try to match the tail lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the install. So you can use the same thing if you need to replace any bulbs, but there's gonna be 2 bolts you need to get to start the process. So you need an 8mm socket, and we're gonna go ahead and proceed to take it off. So we have all the bolts removed. Just gotta remember, here's a wire and a harness over here. There's a tab right here that you have to push out to, also to get the light out once you're on both the 8mm. But there's also a clip that you're gonna clip right here. You have to take that part off to get to it and get it off. That's where it is right there. So it's gonna go in your new one. But this is the old one. And we're gonna put the new one in. So that's what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and repeat on the other side, but that is factory and this is smoke. So give it a more modern look, but I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna repeat the same things that I did on the driver's side, and then I'll wrap up the video and kind of give you my thoughts on it too. All right, that's the final product. I'm gonna show you how it matches the front. But it looks pretty good, turned out pretty good. Install was fairly easy. Kind of plug and play for the most part. They replaced the red bulb with an LED bulb. So the halogen bulb with a LED red bulb. But it looks good, matches the front. I'm gonna show you guys the overall view of the car. All right, that's a wrap, guys. Hope you liked the install from my Camaros and Z06 and your 82 Corvette, guys. For those followers, stay tuned. Have some couple things coming up for those. Hopefully get a couple of friends. I've been promising that for a while, so hopefully get some friends on with their cars. The Firebird I mentioned before, if you watched the previous videos. Hopefully get somebody with a Mach 1 on as well. Do a comparison to Camaro, and maybe get a BMW here or two on as well. So stay tuned. Again, this is just to help you guys out with the Honda Pilots. If you want to go ahead and do the installs, you can use the same thing for changing bulbs out. So it's pretty simple, and I hope the video helped you guys. Take care.